Ever feel like you're checking all the boxes: college degree, steady job, maybe even a side hustle, but your bank account still looks the same every month? It's like running full speed on a treadmill. You're sweating, you're tired, but you're not actually moving forward. They told us, go to school, get a safe job, work hard, and life will take care of itself. But here's the reality: your paycheck shrinks because of inflation, loans eat your cash, promotions crawl, and side hustles just leave you more tired. We were told the system works if we just grind harder. But look around: people working 60 hours a week aren't free, they're burned out. More hustle doesn't mean more freedom. It often means more stress. Here's the brutal truth: if nothing changes, 3 years from now you'll be standing in the exact same spot, or maybe even worse off. Time keeps moving, but your money and lifestyle don't. That frustration you feel, that voice in your head saying, I can't keep this up, that's not weakness, it's your wake-up call. Your body and your mind are screaming for a smarter way. If nothing changes, you risk staying stuck in the same cycle, trading your energy, health, and dreams for a paycheck that barely moves. That's not a life, that's a trap. And it's time to break out. What if I told you there's a way to double your income in just 3 years, without grinding yourself into the ground? Hey, I'm John, and welcome to Cash Plan with John, your spot for building wealth without losing your sanity. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss strategies that could literally change your financial life. Quick heads up, I'm not your financial advisor. This is for education only. Take what makes sense, apply it to your life, and always do your own research. In this video, I'm breaking down a step-by-step plan to double your income in 3 years while still having time for family, health, and fun. Stay locked in, take notes, and let's get into it. Here's the real first step: your mindset about money has to change. Most of us grew up thinking that income is tied directly to hours worked. But the truth is, income is tied to the value you create, not the clock you punch. Think about it: if income was only about hours, the hardest workers in the world would be the richest. But we know that's not the case. The people who earn more are usually the ones solving bigger problems, not just working longer. Money works more like a mirror. It reflects your skills, your confidence, and the leverage you use. It's not just about sweat and hours. It's about leveling up who you are and what you bring to the table. One trap a lot of guys fall into is chasing promotions forever. Promotions are slow, political, and honestly, they rarely change your life the way you think they will. Instead of only chasing a title, start investing in yourself. Build skills that make you more valuable, and put yourself in positions where your impact scales way bigger. One trap a lot of guys fall into is chasing promotions forever. Promotions are slow, political, and honestly, they rarely change your life the way you think they will. All right, let's get real. Doubling your income isn't just some motivational quote, it's math. If you make $60,000 now, the target is $120,000 in 3 years, which means about $20,000 more every year. Breaking it down makes it less scary and way more doable. Now think about it: $20,000 more each year isn't just a raise. That could come from a better job, smarter skills, or a little side hustle on the weekends. The magic is combining them instead of depending on just one. It's like climbing stairs. You don't jump from the bottom to the top in one move, you take it step by step. Each raise, each new skill, each side project is another stair toward that $120,000. Here's the trap most people fall into: they say, I want to make more money, but never set numbers. A vague goal is like trying to hit a target blindfolded, without clear math. You'll just spin your wheels and stay stuck. The secret is measuring progress: every $5,000 jump, every new skill learned, every side hustle dollar is proof you're climbing. Celebrate those mini wins because they build unstoppable momentum. Remember what Tony Robbins said: setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Your income goals aren't just dreams when you put them into numbers. Once you map it out, you'll see the path clear as day. Look, man, making more money is cool, but what's the point if you're too burned out to even enjoy it? Real success isn't just about stacking cash, it's about having the freedom to live how you actually want, Picture earning more, but still having time to hit the gym, travel, or chill with your crew. Think of it like upgrading your lifestyle, not just your paycheck. It's the difference between cramming yourself in a tiny studio apartment versus finally stretching out in a house with a backyard. The money is fuel, but the lifestyle, that's the destination. Here's the trap though: too many guys chase money so hard they trash their health in the process. No amount of cash makes up for being stressed, sick, or exhausted all the time. That's not winning. That's a short-lived hustle. Instead, flip the script, start with the life you want, then design your money game around that. Want more freedom to travel? Build income streams that let you work from anywhere. Want more time with your family? Focus on options that don't eat up every evening and weekend. When you reverse engineer your goals like that, money stops being this endless chase. It becomes a tool that builds the exact life you've been dreaming of. That's how you create success that actually feels good, not just looks good on paper. And like Steve Jobs said, your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. This is your shot. Bro, design it, own it, and live it your way. Okay, bro, let's get real. Hustle culture makes it look like working nonstop is the only way to success. But honestly, grinding 80 hours a week doesn't mean you're thriving. It usually just means you're exhausted. Think about it: when you're overworked, your brain's running on empty. And when your energy is drained, you start making sloppy decisions. That's not success. That's just survival mode. It's like running a marathon but trying to sprint every single mile. Spoiler, you're not gonna make it to the finish line without crashing hard. Here's the trap a lot of us fall into: thinking being busy equals being productive. No, you can be busy all day and still be stuck in the same place. Here's a reality check. Burnout isn't just personal, it's costing companies billions. In the US alone, stress-related burnout costs like $300 billion every year. Don't let yourself become part of that stat. Like Arianna Huffington said, burnout isn't the price you have to pay for success. Real success comes from balance, energy, and creating a life you don't need to escape from. If you want your income to grow fast, you can't just rely on working harder. You need skills that actually make you stand out in the top 10%. That's the real leverage. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. The secret is simple: learn skills that are high demand and hard to replace by machines. Stuff like sales, coding, or leadership puts you way ahead of the curve. These aren't just skills. They're your ticket to bigger opportunities. Think of these skills like power tools. They multiply your effort. Instead of spending 10 hours grinding, you can get the same results in 2 with the right tools. That's why people with these skills seem unstoppable. The danger is staying stuck with the same skill set for 10 years and expecting different results. That's like using a rusty hammer when the world is building skyscrapers with laser tools. Don't be that guy. So, if you want to double your income, double down on learning. Upgrade your toolkit every year and you'll always stay ahead. That's how you climb without burning out. Like Naval Ravikant says, play long-term games with long-term people. Invest in skills. Invest in growth, and surround yourself with people who think big. That's how you create a career and a life that actually scales. Let's be real, depending on just one paycheck is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. If that one stream dries up, you're instantly stuck. That's why creating multiple income streams isn't just smart, it's survival. We've seen it before: people working for years, then boom, a recession hits, and layoffs wipe them out overnight. That wake-up call shows just how risky having only one leg to stand on really is. You can't build your future on shaky ground. Think of your income like a table. If it only has one leg, it's gonna tip over the second life pushes it. But with 3 or 4 solid legs, it's strong, stable, and can hold way more weight. But here's the mistake a lot of guys make: they chase 5 side hustles at once and burn out fast. You don't need chaos, you need strategy. Focus on one, build it solid. Then add another when you're ready. Multiple streams of income don't just protect you, they give you freedom. Freedom to take risks. Freedom to invest. Freedom to say no to things that don't serve you. That's what true wealth feels like. Like Robert Kiyosaki says, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Your goal isn't just to earn, it's to build streams that keep flowing, even while you sleep. That's how you really double your income without burning out. Doubling your income isn't about luck, it's about having a real plan. Over the next 3 years, you'll stack skills, build streams, and push through setbacks. Think of it like climbing a mountain step by step. You'll get to the top without burning out. Year 1 is all about laying the foundation. You cut out dead weight habits, expenses, distractions, and double down on skills that actually pay. It's not flashy, but this year is where momentum really begins. Year 2 is where things start to get exciting. You leverage those new skills to land better roles, negotiate pay, or start freelancing. This is where the grind starts paying off and doors finally begin to open. By year 3, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You add another stream of income, negotiate harder, and keep compounding your wins. This is where the snowball effect kicks in and your wealth starts to build itself. The biggest trap is quitting when things don't go perfect. Growth isn't a straight line, it's full of bumps, plateaus, and small wins. Stay in the game long enough, and you'll see the results compound. Like Will Smith said, you don't build a wall overnight, you lay one brick at a time. As perfectly as you can. Do that consistently, and the wall builds itself. That's how you double your income without burning out. We broke it down: shift your mindset, map the math, design your lifestyle, avoid burnout culture, build high-value skills, diversify income, and stick to the 3-year plan. You don't have to trade your health or happiness to level up financially. The smarter you play this game, the faster you win. If you found value here, smash that like button, subscribe to Cash Plan with John, and share this video with a friend who needs this message. Drop your biggest money challenge in the comments. I want to hear your story, and maybe even use it in a future video. This is Cash Plan with John. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Stay sharp, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next one.